To create a QR code for your Etsy shop, start by determining the purpose of the QR code. You can link it to your shop's homepage, a specific product, or a promotional page. Decide on the content you want to share and the desired outcome for your customers. Next, choose a reliable QR code generator tool. There are many free and paid options available, such as QR Code Monkey or Visma. Select a tool that allows you to customize the QR code with your Etsy shop's branding and style. Once you have selected a QR code generator, enter the URL of the page you want to link to. Make sure the URL is correct and active, as this will ensure that customers can access your shop or product page when they scan the QR code. Customize the QR code by adding your Etsy shop's logo, choosing a color scheme, and selecting a shape. Many QR code generators offer various design options, so you can create a unique and recognizable code. After customizing the QR code, download it in a suitable format, such as PNG or JPEG. Ensure the file size is suitable for printing or digital use, depending on your intended application. Test the QR code to ensure it works correctly. Scan the code using a smartphone or QR code reader to verify that it directs you to the intended page. To use the QR code effectively, display it prominently in your marketing materials, such as business cards, flyers, or social media profiles. You can also add it to your product packaging or labels to make it easy for customers to find your Etsy shop. When promoting your QR code, consider offering incentives, such as discounts or free shipping, to encourage customers to scan the code and visit your shop. This will help drive traffic to your Etsy store and increase sales. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a functional and visually appealing QR code for your Etsy shop, making it easy for customers to find and explore your products.